Hi! What did you do yesterday? I was really busy preparing for today's lesson. Today's lesson is about making questions about the past. The first way to ask a question about the past is by using did. Did is the past tense of the verb to do. Let's have a look at some examples. Did you see Barry yesterday? Did he go to London last week? Look carefully. Did you see Barry yesterday? See is in the present tense. The past tense of see is saw. When we use did, the next verb is always in the present tense. So sentences like these are wrong. Did you saw Barry yesterday? Questions about the past can also start with some other words. These are who, what, when, why, where, how. You already know about questions that start with these words. They are called WH questions. To ask a WH question about the past, you start the questions with the WH word and put did after the WH word. Look at these examples. Who did you see yesterday? What did you do yesterday? When did you buy your new bike? Why did you stay at home last night? Where did you meet Angela? How did you break your arm? Let's look at how we can answer the questions. Did you go to Nigel's party yesterday? No, I didn't. Where did you go yesterday? I went to visit my brother in the hospital. Okay, that's all. Now have a look at the grammar sheet and do some exercises.